mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing. I think someone is watching. I'm not sure. We'll check that later. As for now, I have got some roommates, so you may hear some background noises. I can't do anything about that except get rid of them, which is not possible since I will be arrested. So yeah, we are going to continue the case, and I'm going to mail it, which is okay. Let me check if the chat is working properly, and that works out. Nice. I cannot start up my VTuber model because of some Wi-Fi issues. They have banned like gaming stuff, so I cannot also like run VTuber Studio. So that's that. Anyway, so for today, my goal will be to fix this. Let me show you guys. I think it's on my GitHub. Yeah, let's go to GitHub. There we go. BPE. So like I was working on this. You may have seen it on my Twitter page. If you follow me on Twitter, that is. So for like today's objective, I need to fix this because it's kind of broken. It does not work properly. So I may or may not have like gotten rid of some lines of codes and reset like the rest of the lines. And we are gonna make it again. Like I have some stuff saved which I don't want it to like remove because it's like basic file processing for input and output. So that's there. So let's start from text splitting. Yeah. For this we are going to be using the GPT-4 tokenizer pattern, which can be used in regex. So like we are defining a basic regex pattern, as you can see. This is using the GPT-4 tokenizer. So let's just copy that. Okay, wait. Let's copy it and move it into here. I'm like not gonna type all of that, hence why I have just like copied it. Like I'm also ill, so my voice may be sounding very different. And okay, then we need to apply this formula. I mean that. Okay, I don't know. There we go. And now that we have gotten the words, we need to like do the encoding and decoding. So like this one is basically for splitting up the text, and I could this is the get stats one. I'm just gonna like copy the whole thing because I already have it made off the screen. I was testing on some stuff. So that code is gonna replace this one. There we go. And then we need a function for pairing things up, and I'm getting quite a bit. Okay, let's just. I think I also need to get rid of this function. What's this? 2 pending changes. Okay. I don't want to do that. What? Okay, I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna continue normally. I use the GitHub desktop application. I don't do like work from here. So like this will give us a split of the words, and that is that. And, I think I need to like pairs. I need to like also add that. Wait. I think I messed something up. Okay. I should have like really planned it out. That's like for splitting up the pairs, okay, and counting. And that's for splitting it up. So like we probably wanna process the words which have been split up. These, but I am not using these anywhere. I should. Let me just turn off my screen really quick. I don't want to show something which should not be shown. Give me just a second. Okay, I will be turning my screen back on in just a minute. There we go. We are gonna be using some help from our one and only Android app. I think he has like some good stuff here. So like this is definitely gonna help. So like we are already doing this thing for getting the stats. I should have like probably planned something. Okay, let's just do the planning right now. So we need to like do some processing and stuff. You know what, I'm gonna use a proper method for this. Where is the slanted one? Okay, there is no slanted one. Okay, so we are just gonna use this. We are gonna start and then first we need to start, and after that get text file input. After we get the text file input, we need to what we need to do after that is break the text into many different chunks. Let's see. So after we get that, we need to break it down into use widgets for text splitting, and after that we kinda need to like do some numerical operations on it, which would be convert them into the tokens. let's see. After that, we need to do this. Pair the tokens times. Yep. Okay. So we are going to be pairing up the token n times. And after that, we need I think we need to save it. Oh yeah, no. First we need to do the pairing and then we need to perform the BPE merges. Okay, we have our basic file structure now. Let me just go down there. So we are saving the vocab right there, and okay. Okay, so we are calling in on that train function. So first we need to do the splitting of the text. We need to remove this. I'm gonna remove this part for now. This should return some basic splitting of the text. So we're just gonna return words for now. And in the train function we're gonna do word list is equal to okay, there we go, nice. And I think we need to do the IDs the IDs one. I think we need to first do that. Okay, so this was not supposed to happen, and I should have probably kept that closed. Open the wrong file at the wrong time. And now let's work. Let's see. Now we have our training one, and just to test it, I can run it, and hopefully it works the first time. Vocab save vocab.json locational. I don't want that. I don't want that training. Okay, I forgot to print it. And there it goes. Okay, so the words have been split properly, as we can see. So this part is done. Let me see. Now we don't need this one, and we don't need this one. F8. Wait, what's that? Okay, we need to do it like this. Let's run this again, and this time let's print the IDs. This should give us numbers. There we go. Nice. This is like gonna be quite long, so I'm not gonna do that. Instead, let's just do length of it. Like we can see how long it is. It's about 1.7 million tokens. Now that we have gotten this out of the way also, okay, I think I need this last part. We don't want to lobotomize everything right now. So like if I were to run this code, I get these sorted pairs and pairs. So if I were to just like print out the entire count. I just want to see it. I like to see my data visually. See now this is like super compressed now. And we can see that 83 and 97 have occurred quite a lot. And if I were to like convert that into I mean I could probably like also do that. Let's there we go. The highest occurrence should be okay, yeah. Okay, there 101 and 32. They have occurred quite a lot of times, about 50,000 times actually. Okay, there are a lot of tokens which we can use. Okay, so now this whole part is not needed. I can just remove that. And now we can work on some more stuff. So like this basically just splitting up the text. That's a whole function for itself. I mean I could probably like reduce this, but let me just check how he has done it. Okay, here is let's try this part. What is this is okay. Okay. Let's try to run this again, and I'm gonna remove this last part because it's making me angry and quite a lot. Okay, so they are using a custom and a modified version of that. So basically passing in the chunk ID in IDs. Ah, let's just go back up here and okay, we need to remove this part and we need for no, what is it? Okay, we are not gonna do all that. It's gonna mess up everything that we are doing, and instead we have our words list, and we're gonna do for chunk in words list. For chunk in words list, we're gonna do get stats IDs, and we're gonna pass in SDA stats is equal to that. Okay. Wait, no. We're gonna pass in the stats, and let's just define it. Now we have our stats, and we need to go ahead and modify this. Stats again, and this should do that. And now let's see. This pair is equal to default is equal to none. Now we're gonna change that to 0. So like it's at way bottom of the list, so it does not get included along with it. This like just to keep track of that. I think like I need to learn quite a lot of stuff from this. But this is like actually a good level of code. I'm just gonna give him credit really quick because without him I could not have been making my own one. So guys, like please make sure to check out this person and Rich Capity. He is quite good. Those are his links. Please check out his channel. And I was using this one to like fix my BPE Tokenizer because I tried to make one for myself and it's kinda bad. Because let me show you mine really quick. Like this is the one that I made. So if I do this, hello, my name is Silo. I am there we go. You can see it's quite bad. What's this token? I don't remember like this being here. I will need to like check that out. Anyways, yeah, so the merges are like quite bad. It's falling back. So like I need to fix that. So we're gonna be using his code to like do some things. And we need to perform the merges. Chunk IDs. Paired and IDs. Those three things. And all of those are in the base.py file. So I am just like gonna copy this whole stuff. So let me just yoink this really quick. And we are gonna go here. We're gonna paste that right here and remove the comments because I don't like comments on my code. Yes, you heard me right. Anyways, okay, we will need to like build a encoder decoder ourselves, which I have made it myself. Okay, I deleted the whole thing. I forgot. I think I can like show timeline. Uh, okay, like this was the old code which I was using parallel processing and all that stuff. So if I were to go down here, this is like my decoder, and right here we have our encoder, which had like quite a lot of stuff, so I did not like it and I want to reduce that. Therefore we are gonna be working like this. What's verbose? Ah, it's for printing only. I see. If I go back now and do that, we are using different variable names, so it's gonna mess with that a little bit. So we need to adjust the variables a bit. Merges pair is equal to IDX, and I think he has defined the merges up at the top here. There we go. Let me just copy this and paste it. I'm gonna like paste it right here. He has like the stats defined also somewhere else, I think. Okay, that's in the loop. Okay, my mistake. This was supposed to be inside the loop. Okay, that could have like messed up quite a lot of stuff, which I don't wanna know on how many different levels it would have broken my stuff. Okay, now that we have all of this, we can try to do that. Print merges. Let's see if this works as we intended to. And there we go, nice. Unhashable type list. And why is it unhashable? Let me just try to do something. Processing chunk say. What do you mean it's not working properly? unhashable type list. Why is it unhashable? Need to like fix it somehow. But if it's not working here, I mean it's working here. It is a string. It should be working properly. Unless it's getting messed up right there. Ah, okay. My mistake. I need to send in chunk. Not that. My bad. And this was a mistake. I should not have done this. Let's remove this part of the code and now let's run it. Vocab. Okay, there we go. Okay, and let's try to do this. Value of space. That should be 22. Yeah. I mean, this does not say anywhere like if it's processing that or not. Here, why is it not finding that? Let me just print out the vocab before it kills itself. It should be 32, yeah. There it is. reverse this by generating vocab. Vocab is right there, and it's integer. Like that's not gonna find it. I need to like reverse it somehow. There we go. Let's try to do this once. Hopefully it works. And we are still getting that here. Merge list. Wait, should this like not be ID? For chunk in IDs, yeah. Okay, I was looking for that. Let's remove that and try to do it again. Okay, it's going. So what I'm gonna do is remove the printing part, and we're gonna remove this whole thing right here. And what I'm gonna do for like testing purposes, I'm gonna turn this down to 10 for now, and we will see. Oh wait, I forgot to print. Oh no, it's printing. Okay, let's continue. Okay, nice. We have that now. Hopefully, it should work. So, like, we have our BPE Tokenizer now. We need to somehow do that for the encoding part. So that's for training, yeah. But if we are doing the training, we need to save it. Okay, we don't need that. We only need. Okay, I see. Okay, we only need the pairs right here. For the pairs, I can do. So I can like first split the text up and then put it. Okay, how do I implement encoding though? That's a difficult part. Okay, we need to like add a infinite while loop. While pairs address is equal to that. Okay, what's this showing? Okay, 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 yep, yep, okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Oh wait, I just remembered something. Need to remove this. Okay, give me just another minute. I need to set this to permanent. Now we need to fix it. Or do we that? Yep, that's good. Progress for ID. We don't need to do that. Let me just comment really quick so it can have a little bit. I need to think up of a logic. We don't have to type. Okay, now we need that. And for word and words, I need to just hold on. There is no extent. Okay. We can like actually test that out, but that is null. Okay. We need to return right here. So we need to return that, so it goes back down there. I also need to check if this one is working properly. Let me just run this code so we can initialize the vocab at least with 10 of the values. like reverse it before saving it, and therefore we need to reverse the merge. Okay, there we go. Now we have that. I could probably like run my tester now. We need to cut off the decoder, but I guess we can try to run it like this. Okay, we need to actually check on this function. What are we doing here? Forward, inward, side is equal to what? Reverse vocab. Oh no, we don't need to actually reverse it now because we are reversing it when we are actually saving it, so it's not needed. We just need to do this and we are good. Hopefully. Okay, so like I'm gonna train that tokenizer for around 100 tokens while we try to work on some stuff. So it's gonna take like 2 minutes to train, and in the meantime, and try to do like stuff. What did that say? Decoded. Okay, the decoder is not working properly. And in order to test it, I need to go ahead and oh wait. I don't think like we are actually using the initial. Like I can either fall back. Let me add like an actual fallback really quick. We don't need to do that. Generate. Is this gonna work if I pull it? Oh, we don't want to do that. Let's add into tokens and also add that. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna pass in the final merges right here. That should help a little bit. Although we just did a training match, seems promising. Like for now, let's test it out really quick. Okay, it's not working properly. So let's I think I need to train it quite a lot. So what we're gonna do now is put it on. Okay, no, we're just like gonna do it normally for now. Let's set it to 10. So I can test it out really quick. And I had to make an error. Let's go back. I mean, I could have just done this. I don't know why I even tried doing that. Saving, huh? I forgot to load in the data, like the encoding for that. Okay, and never mind. It's not gonna work anyways because I need to set this down there, not up here. We need to save it with UTF-8 encoding or else it's not gonna work. Send help. Please someone send some help. I'm gonna blow up. And is still dull. Why is that happening now? We have the UTF-8 encoding and I mean, why did I even trust? This needs to be what was the original structure. It was ID and then token. So that is the ID, and the token is gonna be CH I. There we go. That should have, I think, at least for now. And why is it still null? Final merges is that when we drag it, why is it not working? This should be working properly. Okay, it's up to 250. There we go. Why is that not? Like both of those are correct. I think this is the issue. If I remember my Python correctly, which I certainly most do not do, I forgot Python. Yeah, okay, this is done. We can close this now. There are some issues. Okay, that's promising, and that's also promising. It's mostly all encoded. Okay, that looks good. Let me just check something. Okay, yeah. Now, if I were to run my test, it can probably encode and decode correctly, but it's not gonna compress. So for compression, we need to run this tokenizer like at least 10,000 times on this data set. So what this is gonna do is do the tokenizer stuff, hopefully. So while it's doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and do some research while you guys can watch BPE. There we go. It's gonna only take like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna mute up and enjoy the music.